What you doing?
Figuring it out, sort of, sometimes. I'm not figuring it out at all. Okay. Are you laughing at me already?
No, not at all.
You are. You're already laughing at me. What did I do now? Did I forget a piece? No. This goes on here, right? Okay. Looks about right.
That's it.
Okay, I did it. Alright, it needs to go lefty loosey.
Oh, wait.
Wet.
So, Whitney, would you like to tell everybody that's watching at home what we're actually doing today?
Oh, yay! I'm so glad he's here to tell me how to internet because I don't. So this is day 1 of Camper Rebuild. Camper 1.
Yay!
Which we'll turn around here in a second and show you. We've got to take the tarp off and go over this way. No, go ahead.
Wait.
So.
Oh, go ahead. I just have to get the tracking ready. You ready?
Okay,
all right, let's
ready.
go. All right, go.
Let's do it. So,
oh God, you walked too fast. Okay, there you are.
Figuring this out too. So camper, we're going to take all this off. We'll show it to you. You can see the pretty windows. And everything's coming apart. We're going all the way down to the bones. We're going to take it down to the trailer. So come along this fun adventure with us. Hi. So this is the crown jewel of my beautiful camper. I think that the more we look at it and the more we get into this, we find that maybe a few different people tried to rebuild her. And so you can see we just covered this window space with some metal, and even before that some more metal that we painted. I didn't do it, not we. That was painted. And there's lots of different screws, maybe some bullet holes. So we're gonna make it all better. Yeah. Alright, so as you can see, we took out all of the windows, vents, doors, etc. because there were etc. And now we have everything open. It's just the skeleton and the skeleton and the skin. So what we're about to do is start taking off the side paneling. We start from the bottom up on the outside. We'll do one wall, and then we're gonna do the other wall. We'll see what happens with the ceiling, if it holds itself up. We don't really know yet, so we're gonna keep some space from it. All the wiring, everything's going out. We're gonna get down to that frame. Here we go. We removed one side of the camper, all of the windows, and this is what we've got. I don't know what else to say right now. If you get some close-ups, you can see that we had a lot of issue with the water leakage. So this is why we're removing everything down to the bones. We're going to take out all this rotten wood, and you know, it looks like somebody tried to do some repairs before, but they were just band-aids. So we're going to take it out and rebuild all of that. So next step, we're going to take out the rest of the skin. We are then going to tear out the flooring. We're going to patch up the base with some fiberglass, and then we will be rebuilding the walls individually, and excited to show you what I've designed. Hey there! So, oh, the tree. Look what we did! Ta-da! We have taken the trailer down to its bones. We still have a little bit of work to do. We're going to take all of this junk off the trailer, so it's just trailer, but then we will be patching up the, as you can see, the brake and the wheel wells with some fiberglass work. All this is coming up. This is the old laminate. That was probably the original laminate, and then, but who knows, and then something somebody tried to put on top of it. We'll patch all of this up. You can see the skin of the roof over there, which is probably the most anxiety producing item I've ever had in my life. We're going to be cleaning all of that off, taking off that yucky roof, taking out all the skylights, really down to the bone, seeing what's salvageable. Because remember, recycle, reuse. We're going to try to recycle and reuse as much as we can from what we have here, except for the wood. We're replacing all of the wood, so no rot, no mold, and we're going to clean up the base. So here we are. You can take a look at all the pieces. We got our pile of windows over there. Feeling pretty good about this. Well, now we get to start drawing pretty pictures and building the design that I have in mind.
And always hit that like and subscribe button.
Like and subscribe. Thanks for the reminder, Jesse. I'm terrible at that.
That's okay, because this is going to be...
I'm learning how to internet.
It's okay, because this is going to be a multi-series project.
Multi-series project, each day at a time. I'll show you Whitney figuring it out. Remember, I have no training on how to do this. I just bought my very first drill, but I like to organize and build things, so come along with me. This should be a fun adventure.